What up, family? Welcome back to OR Trades, man. I hope you guys had a great start to the year. The market was closed today. Felt a little odd, right? But tomorrow, it's on and popping, man. I had a great start to the year, a great weekend with my family and my wife and my kids. I hope you guys did too, and I'm believing for a great year for you guys, a prosperous year, a year full of health. And I'm assuming you're into trading. I pray that this year, man, you have a killer year. I do want to go over a couple of things that I'm looking at for tomorrow and for the rest of the week. I do have one ticker besides SPX, because obviously you guys know I trade a lot of SPX, but I have one other ticker that I think is due for a big move. But before we get into that, man, please subscribe, like, comment, turn on post notifications, as I will be doing more videos for you guys and showing you guys exactly what I'm doing, how I'm trading, and how I'm preparing myself for the week, day in and day out. But yeah, man, let's get into the video.
Look. Told my dogs that we won't starve again. I show my face in places I'll never show again. I stacked my chips and did it with no one noticing. Dealing with some shit I told moms that I'll never fold again. And it's on God, I don't like how they move. I'm from a city where they sharing every move that they do.
All right, so first off, the daily chart on SPX, we're still holding that 50% retracement level from this recent leg to the upside. We had a couple of breakouts to the downside. 3780 held, 3800 was reclaimed, and we got a nice, still not a solid bounce, but we were able to hold that level. Now on the 1 hour, we did have this descending triangle right at the 50% retracement. We broke out of it a couple times to the downside, but again, there were false breakouts. And then we broke this to the upside, came back to test that trend line, and now we're sitting kind of right, well, we're literally right under that 3850 level. I think 3850 will be on watch tomorrow for a potential move to the upside. Wait for a retracement for a continuation to the upside. But also, I am eyeing that 3940 level that I've been telling you guys about that I think is going to be crucial. I will look to go short there. I think we have a good short opportunity there right at this 3945 level. If we can break through that 3906, 3910 level, I will look to add some shorts up here at 3940 if we get there. The other level that I am watching on the daily that I mentioned last week to go long, if we do fail to hold this 3800 level, I'll be watching this 3720 level for a potential bounce. Due to the data that's coming out next week, there may be a little bit of chop this week. You don't want to get caught in that. We do have some important stuff coming out this week, but the market may be waiting for next week. So just be careful not to get caught in any of the chop. Okay, let me remove that there. Now, the other ticker that I wanted to show you guys and talk to you guys about was BABA. We have a double inside bar. We are in a triangle that's getting pretty tight. This thing is set for a pretty nice move. We have a gap to fill under this 8150 level. I am watching the break of 8950 to the upside. And then to the downside, I'm watching 8650. This thing is going to rip. It's either going to rip or it's going to melt. We're going to see a nice move. And it could happen this week. I will be watching this stock to play, maybe a couple weeks out for expiration date on the contracts. You could get the weeklies, but I'm definitely going to keep an eye on this. This stock is set for a nice move. If we reject this 8950 level, you could go short and see if we come back down to test this trend line here. Or if we bounce from 8650, you could play a bounce to come back up to the trend line. But keep an eye on BABA, man. This thing's it's gonna move in one direction. There's a indecision now with this double inside bar. It's very rare that we see that pattern. And when it is there is going to be a massive move. So keep an eye on this, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you for tuning in with me, man. I love you guys. I hope you have a blessed day, and let's kill it this year, man. Peace.